I want to thank everybody for watching CryptoRevolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Real quick, in this video, I want to talk to you about Web3 social network altcoin that has been banging and Bitcoin being pulled off of exchanges at a record pace. Stay tuned to the end. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. We've talked about this multiple times. You've got a death cross coming where the 50 is going to cross to the downside of the 200. And so this is probably going to happen over the next few days. Looks like about on the 7th. It's a delayed. These moving averages are lagging indicators, right? So the downside's already started to happen. Will you get downside continuation based on this idea? I drew these dotted lines to kind of give an idea of what could turn into a falling channel. But right now, the bulls are still holding this $25,800 level. You see a breakdown of this level, you're coming down to 20,000. The bulls have to show up here. I mean, really just holding this level, moving sideways isn't anything amazing, right? Problem is, Bitcoin right now is below the 200 simple daily, which is this daily 200 SMA, yellow, right? This yellow line that's coming down. And it's below the Bitcoin, which has been the Bitcoin bear market bottom, the 200 SMA on the weekly. And again, that's not, where do you build a bullish case about that's not supposed to happen? And it's happened for an extended period of time back here with the weekly. What is the narrative that's going to make this market pump? We talked about China being able to buy Bitcoin through Hong Kong, China maybe changing its stance on crypto. Where's the buyers at? What's Bitcoin got to do to catch some bids? Because it's not happening. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, good friend of mine, Chris, I've taken my account from 300 a few months ago to over $10,000 in a short period of time. I mean, that's 33x. But I'm like, bro, you've got to, you're killing it. Like your skill set, wait till the market flips and the market gets better. You just 33x'd your money in a subpar market. Shout out to Paul Paco. He said, learned so much over the years. People watch the news. I watch you, my friend. Absolutely a must. You're in this trading group, in the VIP group. Leverage traders find here what they're after. September the 2nd. Most of this is from trading for an hour and a half after work this morning. He's up 34% in an hour and a half. Right now, you go to cryptorev.net. You can put in leverage 100. Get $100 off, leverage 200. You get $200 off. Follow the leader. Live screen shares where it's like, here's the trade. Here's what I'm doing. I'm moving my stop losses to take profit. I'm taking profits. I'm closing the trade. I'm re-entering this trade. Like, it's phenomenal. But again, banger after banger after banger after bang. It's crazy. Web3 social network altcoin skyrockets by more than 308% this week. CyberConnect aims to enable developers to create social applications where users own their digital identities and their data. So Cyber ripped off a new all-time high of $15.36. As soon as I saw it posted on Binance. Listen, if you're thinking, oh, I can't trade on Binance, this is on MEXC. Go to the VIP link in the description. You get half price trading fees if you sign up with the VIP link. Welcome to Hoop Jumpers Anonymous. Welcome to crypto. My name's Chris. I jump through hoops. That's where we're at. But MEXC has been golden. Think about this. This is a Web3 social network altcoin, right? So probably something initially I wouldn't think would explode. However, immediately, as soon as I saw the setup posted, make sure go over to Twitter, follow me, cryptobitcoinchris. I posted Cyber on August the 28th by the breakout. It was taken off. 261% profits in 3.5 days. Let's go down to this news. Now, what was it about Cyber? So I picked up on this and we made trades based on this idea, but Cyber withdrawal was not open on Binance. Someone was doing arbitrage, right? But on Binance, the price was $9.30, but on Upbit, it was $14.70, right? So Binance closed withdrawals. So you couldn't withdraw it and sell it on another exchange. This person in Korea was able to withdraw from Bybit, earned about $5,000. This arbitrage is something that you see a lot of scams try to sell you these ideas where you can move these coins and make regular money with arbitrage. I don't even get into it. I don't recommend it. Half the stuff. If anybody ever approaches you in this market or just asks you about crypto and then starts being your friend, that is not something you want to. I mean, that's like red flag. As soon as somebody hits you up and starts talking about crypto, it's like, what's wrong with this situation? It doesn't make sense. So like, I would never hit you up and say, hey, we've got this investment opportunity. No, it's not what I do. Now, this is the most important thing I want you to pay attention to out of this video. Bitcoin has only been trending higher for about 44 days out of the last 176 days. The other 75% of the time, Bitcoin is either moving mostly sideways or trending lower. Right, so this is trending lower with, I mean, there's a couple days of upside. You had to find the anomalies to pick these, to find these winners. And so again, think about that. Since March, Bitcoin only trending higher about 25% of the time. That's not very much. During the bull season, here's what, this is coming. Based on 4-year market cycles, based on the halving. Listen, during the bull run, most of the time we're going to be in an uptrend. 148 days out of 212 days was a consistent uptrend during the last bull season. Bull season. I'm ready. I am ready. 30% of the time was sideways or downtrending. So this is when the game changes. This is the easiest money you can make in crypto. If you are holding coins and losing money, it's really not the way to do things. And my idea, like I'll hold when the market is really good, when you're going into a huge uptrend out of Bitcoin, and I want to see one of these narratives. Bitcoin needs a stimulus, new stimulus, halving hype. It needs, you know, an ETF approval. Everything changes, but it could easily be next year before that happens. However, with Bitcoin halving, you've seen run-ups in the past for Bitcoin 2 months, even 4 months before. September has been historically a month where you see about an average of a negative 7% decline out of Bitcoin. So it hasn't been an amazing month. But again, I trade the charts. History doesn't always repeat. Some say it rhymes, but if you trade the charts, you'll win. So this is coming 70% of the time. Bitcoin is trending higher. This is the easiest money. We're going to hold the best gem picks, and we're going to have changing money come quickly, right? So the glory days are ahead of us. If you're watching this video, you're headed in the right direction. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to unload a lot of bangers on the channel on a regular basis so you guys can make a ton of money. Group or no group, right? Either way, I want to help you hit your goals. That's all there is to it. Crypto analyst comes out for the first time. Bitcoin withdrawals surpassed deposits for 3 consecutive months. So this means that you've got a lot of people speculating that cryptocurrency can be bullish over time. Because when you have a bunch of holders, it's going to keep the base in there. You know, we could pull back to 20,000, but one idea is you've got a bunch of people holding on Bitcoin and they're ready for the bull market. Yeah, it'd be great to pick it up at 20,000 and get it a lot cheaper, but investors are holding their Bitcoin. Trading in this market is so important. If you have a smaller bag, you're going to sit there with Bitcoin and wait for it to do 5, 7x. 7x is great, but we're going to hit these altcoins that are doing 20, 30, 50x, right? I nailed AXS last bull market and it did 136x, right? And so we're going to find the coins that make the most money, period. $114 billion in US treasuries dumped by China and Saudi Arabia, which are part of BRICS. So they've trimmed the US treasury holdings in China from 938 billion to just 835 billion. So they're dumping US treasuries over the last year. Now Japan holds 1.1 trillion in US treasuries. Like you can buy T-bills or US Treasury bonds, and they've been paying over 5%. So they've been good, solid holdings. The idea is this could affect the Federal Reserve's take on interest rates. So Saudi Arabia dumping, saying United States is higher risk. You did have a credit downgrade for the United States, but what does this mean overall? It's all going to unfold slowly. Right now, seems like the Fed, even though they're raising rates and it's not good for day-to-day life, living, everything's more expensive, gas, groceries, borrowing money for a house, for a car. But if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.